Prepare to be amazed by the architectural masterpiece that is New York City.
Journey through the captivating history of its skyline, from its humble beginnings to its modern marvels.
The Dutch colonial origins of New York's architecture laid the foundation for the city's unique character. In the early 20th century, the rise of skyscrapers transformed New York City into a global metropolis. Art Deco and Bauhaus left an indelible mark on the city's skyline, adding a touch of glamour and modernity. Today, the iconic structures of New York City define its global identity and continue to inspire awe.
Discover the unique architectural styles that have shaped this global metropolis and the stories behind the visionaries who brought them to life.
Just like the Empire State Building, this video is destined to become an instant classic.
Share your thoughts on the architectural wonders of New York City in the comments below.
Like, share, and follow for more fascinating historical journeys.